Okay, so today we're going to take a look at how to install Java on your computer. And we're going to use IntelliJ from Jetbrains to do that. So Java looks a little bit like this, where you have a program in green and then it executes what you saw in the red right there. All right, so we're going to go to Jetbrains and we're going to download their Toolbox app. So here's the Toolbox app right here. We're opening it up. We're going to drag into Applications. And this would be similar under Windows too. Open up the Jetbrains app. All right, and then we're going to choose the Community Edition of IntelliJ. There's a couple of different versions, like the EDU version, which is a little bit older, and we're going to choose Community Edition instead. All right, so this is August of 2021, so we're going to use the latest edition from the Community Edition from JetBrains. All right, so that toolbox is helping install IntelliJ. So that's the interface that we use to do the Java programming. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. All right. As soon as it's finished installing, and this will take maybe 5 minutes or so. All right. So we got 2021.2. That's the version we're dealing with. So we're going to click on it, or we're going to look in the applications folder and choose it there. Either way should be able to work. Okay. So I'm not seeing it right there. I should have installed it right there. But anyway, we can do a search on Windows with Cortana, or we can use Siri or something to load it up. Otherwise, just use the JetBrains toolbox to load it up. All right, so we're verifying the install. And where are we? There we go. It's coming up. We got to go through the terms, remove data sharing for privacy reasons. All right, we're going to do a new project right now. All right, so there's no SDK, so I have to download an SDK. We're going to choose the AdoptOpen Hotspot version 16. And the SDK is basically all the support development work that needs to be included for developing with Java. So Java Development Kit. So it's now installed, version 16.0.2. When you install it, it might be a little bit newer than that. All right, so we're going to do a new project. We called it My First Java Program. And so now I have to start a new source file. So I right click on source, new Java class, I name it. So my print to screen. There you go, it's in the editor. And I'm going to use the shortcuts like this. PSVM, tab or enter, and it creates a main function for me. Or main, like a main function if you'd been using MATLAB before. And then the print line right there. I'm going to compile it. And now I'm going to run it. You'll see some green triangles that'll show up after the compilation near public static void main. I click on that, then run it, and we should see it appear in the bottom half of the screen. There you go, right there. It's executed. And we've done it.